Hi everyone, welcome to our podcast. But before we start the podcast, let's introduce ourselves. First, my name is Vicia Gesalas Dunkir. You can call me Chia. And of course, I'm not alone here. I'm with my four other friends. The first one is Aksa.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Aksa Perdana Detvi. You can call me Aksa, and I am from Bandung.
The next one, we have Vanessa.
Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa Ulianggreni. People call me Vanessa and I'm from Bandung.
And then we have Rido.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ridho Fatan. You can call me Rido. I from Bukit Tinggi.
And the last one, we have Hapsari.
Hello everyone, my name is Hapsari Tanjung. You can call me Hapsari. I'm from Palembang.
Anyway, what are we talking about in this podcast, Cia?
We're going to talk about hobby, interest, and talent. I'm pretty sure that everyone has hobby, interest, and talent. So I'm gonna ask Aksa first. What is your hobby, interest, and talent, Aksa?
Thank you for asking me first, Cia, about hobbies. I really like sports. Since I was a kid, I was introduced to sports by my parents, especially football. Then I like listening to music, playing songs all day just to fill my day. And by the way, I'm a big fan of One Direction so far, and I hope they will be back soon. And I have interested in music. I really want to be able to play music, especially drums and guitar. I think people who can play music instrument are pretty good. I I extremely want to make songs, then play those songs to people who are important to me, and I hope it will happen. About talent, I have talent in football. I have won a lot of football competitions since I was a kid, from intercity, provincial, and national competitions. But now I don't play football anymore because I want to focus on achieving my bigger dreams instead of being an athlete.
I agree with you. I've seen you playing football tomorrow. You are so very talented, my friends.
Thanks a lot, Vanessa.
What genre of song do you like?
Personally, I like classical music, pop, and rock genres.
Oh, I love that too. That's a great.
So, what's your hobby, interest, and talent, Hapsari?
I have a talent for cooking because from a young I was taught to be able to cook. I therefore I have the advantage of being able to cook. I really like cooking and my hobby is listening to song. Usually in my free time or when in field, I when cook or listening to song. I want to learn more deeply and be able to cook.
Oh, I see. We both like music. I love everything about it.
By the way, I will ask Vanessa what your hobby, talent, and interest.
Thank you so much for asking me about my hobbies. My hobby is swimming because swimming can make my physique and mind very relaxed, and I also really like singing. When I was in elementary school to high school, I used to be a vocalist in a Islam group music. And about interest, I really interest with makeup because if I using makeup, I will feel more confident compared to not wearing makeup. And if I also using makeup, make me more enthusiastic and living my days. And about my talent, my friend said I am very talented if I become a teacher because when I was in high school, I was assigned to teach children, and I really like and enjoy doing that because according to them, I am a Fetian and loving person.
I really agree with your friend because you really like children and have a good heart.
Thank you, Rida.
I just found out that if you have a hobby, swimming is really good.
Thank you so much, Aksa. You also have a good hobby. Well, what about you, Rido? What's your hobby, interest, and talent?
When it comes to hobbies, I really like playing football because I have been in a soccer school in since elementary school and I have also won competition. I am interested in painting. I really want to be able to paint. In my opinion, people who can draw and paint are great at their work. I really want to make paintings, then take part in the painting parade. And all about talent, regarding talent, I have talent in sport because from childhood, I often excite with my family. 3, 4, I have the advantage of being able to play football.
Wow, you also like playing football too. Next time we should play each other and compete who is the best. Oops, I was kidding.
Yeah, Aksa, I also hope to play soccer with you.
By the way, you are also interested in painting. Nowadays, it is very rare to find people who like painting.
Hapsari is right, but I think people who are good at painting are great people. I think that's enough from me today now. How about you, Tia?
Talking about hobbies, actually, I have many hobbies, one of which is collecting digital books. I like them because they are simple and can be read anywhere by just opening the cell phone. I'm very interested in technology because it is something that will develop from year to year and will always change. I have high curiosity about this. Therefore, we all should not overdo in using it. In my opinion, I am talented in creating stories and scenario, but I don't have enough time to repeat it again. But before sleeping, I always write scenarios in my mind.
Yes, I often see you reading a book on your cell phone when we are together.
So we have different hobby, interest, and talent. That's so interesting. Maybe we can share our hobby, interest, and talent in details later, so we can learn new things together.
Yeah,
Yes, sure.
sure.
Yes, sure.
Okay, I think that's all for the podcast. Thank you all.
Goodbye,
Thank
Thank
everyone.
you.
you.
Thank you all.